you see a
It's
bolt?
huge.
You saw the bolt?
Yeah.
Could be. Well, that's like,
Oh.
that's a lot of lightning.
Yeah.
I wonder if lightning hit something. Wow.
I'm not hearing any thunder though.
Well, because we're driving in the car.
That's a bummer.
And it's several miles away. Is there... Now that I pointed... Never mind. I was like, now that I pointed the camera up there, it's not going to do anything. Wow, that's cool.
That's some of the biggest lightning I've seen around here before.
I'll bet it's those Linwood apartments.
Near the Safeway over there?
No, Linwood. By the 7-Eleven. At that train crossing. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's just a stopped truck.
Lights.
Oh, there's some flashy lights. Oh shit, those are the apartments my dad used to live in.
See at least 2 separate fire trucks.
Yeah. There's a lot going
maybe
on there.
3.
Oh yeah, it's all down the corner down there. We may not be able to go this way.
We should park and get out.
Oh, I think we can get through. I don't see any fire though. Yeah, these are the apartments my dad used to live in.
Huh.
Shit. Okay.
Holy shit, there's like 10 vehicles here.
Yeah. I think they all stopped.
Yeah, it's over, I guess.
False alarm, no fire.
Maybe there was a fire and they already put it out.
Yeah, I don't know.
Huh?
I said, yeah, I don't know.
I mean, there's way too many trucks for there to have been nothing.
You would think. Oh, there's smoke up ahead there. So it wasn't in the apartments, it's in... Shit, we can't go through there. It's in that county building. Okay. So I guess I'll turn here.
School district financial operations.
Wow. Attracted a huge crowd.
We should get out and watch for a little bit.
Okay, well, let me turn around.
We're just parked in the church.
Let's park right here. Wow, this is quite the show.
It's pretty.
I knew it had to have been something big. I heard a shitload of sirens. So he's going to block off the road over there. So we can't go back that way.
This is like epilepsy fair. open with the ladder over here.
Well, whatever it is, it's still burning. It's still burning. It hasn't gone out yet. You can smell it. Woo. Craziness. All right, so
Probably can go left.
I have to. Yeah, I have to go that way.
So I did a recount. I counted 17 different vehicles.
Wow. Plus the 3. Does that include the 3 that left, or?
Maybe they just staged this fire as a way to all get together, you know?
Yeah, they decided they wanted to have a party.
Probably about 16
Just
feet long.
blocked the road in front of us here. Why?
We'll find a way. Firefighting is probably pretty tough as in a city like New York, you know? A dense city. Where if any fire starts, it's liable to spread to a whole building, you know? And not only that, you don't really have a lot of space and maneuverability to be able to do what you need to do.